All right, we begin today at 4 with news about the Cleveland Browns quarterback. As he returns back to the Browns headquarters for the first time in weeks, Deshaun Watson is now facing yet another sexual misconduct allegation.
So this new lawsuit was filed yesterday evening. The question of how this impacts his season, well, Marissa Saenz has the latest with that.
Guys, good evening. Another lawsuit, this one now marking the 26th. The lawsuit was filed in Houston, Texas by another massage therapist. The 9-page complaint alleges Watson attempted to solicit sexually related acts, including intercourse. All this happening in a hotel room in December of 2020. That's according to the lawsuit. Now, this is on the heels of 25 other lawsuits. All but one has been settled. Also, as some of his suspension terms begin to expire. Now, when I say that, we're talking he was just allowed to return to the team's facilities. He'll be able to return to practice next month, playing in early December as well. The NFL released a statement saying, quote, Watson's status remains unchanged. We will monitor developments in the newly filed litigation, and any conduct that warrants further investigation or possible additional sanctions would be addressed within the personal conduct policy. Now, Lauren Baxley is the victim who has not settled her lawsuit. She says that's in part to what she says is a lack of remorse from Watson.
All right, interesting. So it doesn't change his availability later at week 12 when he's eligible to come back. But I know there's no way of really knowing this. But do we know anything else about some other possible lawsuits that might come in the future?
So while we don't know right now, it doesn't mean that it may not happen. Some attorneys that I spoke with say this new case isn't surprising and that it's possible we could potentially see other lawsuits. That's because the statute of limitations has not expired yet.
Just when you think, you've got a little bit of clearance.
Right.
More bumps in the road.
Right, but we'll still see him on the field.
Yeah, we will. Marissa, thank you.
That's right.